Welcome to 2-minute short and crisp algo trade training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description section of this video to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to get previous day's closing price. Previous day's closing price of any stock is critical when it comes to any sort of trading. So getting that value is highly critical because sometimes that forms core base of some of those strategies that we use on a daily basis. So how do we get it? So we are again going to use the same quote API to get the previous day's closing price. So if you look at this particular line of code, right, we have used open, high, low, close, and in the last episode we have learned how to get the open, high, and low price of any stock. And when it comes to the closing price, right, if you look at the time now, it's 1:42 p.m. So the market is currently active. So the market is currently live. So in such cases, if we pull the closing price of any stock, right, it will get the previous day's closing price. So currently market is live. So if the market is live, if you try to pull the closing price of any stock using this particular line of code, right, so you will get previous day's closing price. So that's what you need to remember. So the closing price that we get from this particular API would be previous day's closing price if the market is currently in session. Okay, so if you look at this particular value, right, open, high, low, and previous day's closing price we'll get. But in case if the market is closed, I mean if you try to get the same data after 3:30 p.m. today, which is market closing time, in that case we will get today's closing price. So during the live market we can use this API to get the previous day's closing price. So this is the only difference. So open, high, and low works in one way, whereas the closing price works in a different way. That is what you need to remember. So this is how you need to get the previous day's closing price during the live market. So that's all for today. Hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons if you want to stay in touch with us.